Hey everybody, MonstaRC here. Welcome to another unboxing with MonstaRC. Got another Losi NASCAR number 24, William Byron, Team Raptor, Team Hendricks Motorsports Racing. You already know. Had to pick up my boy William Byron. Favorite racer on the circuit right now. If you know anything about William Byron, he started racing on a simulator. Now he's racing real NASCARs. So let's get it out of the sleeve. We'll talk about it a little bit. Set that bad boy there so you can admire the beauty. Admire the beauty. Look at that thing. Set that bad boy there. So let's talk about it. This is what we got here. Look at that. We'll read it all to you. Of course, like always, the MonstaRC way. Before we get started, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. Alright, let's get right into it. You're going to get a SLT2 transmitter. You're going to get your 2S Lipo battery with your little USB charger. You're going to get that beautiful body, of course. Independent suspension and oil-filled coilover shocks. Tough composite chassis designed to survive the big wreck. Powerful 2S Lipo battery for 20 plus minutes of uninterrupted runtime. Enclosed all-wheel drive train with durable metal gears. Officially licensed Goodyear Eagle Racing Slicks. Beautiful. Let's talk about a little bit the inside. Let's get it propped up here. Check that out. This is, of course, going to be a beautiful little brushed motor there. Got your brushed ESC. There's your servo. 2-in-1. You already know how Spectrum's rolling these days. But I'm happy that Losi's partnered with Spectrum. You know, you get all your stuff. If you're using Spectrum stuff, you get everything all binded up together. It makes it real easy. But yeah, this car is fully ready to run everything you need. Nice little brushed Losi NASCAR, William Byron, number 24. Let's get her open. I'm excited. We already own one. We got the Joey Logano. Of course, you guys already seen that video. If you have not already seen that video, go check it out. Here we go. William Byron. We're just going to slide this out. Everything we need should be right there with it. We're going to get rid of the box for now just to make a little space. Check it out. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it's beautiful. Start cutting some of this stuff out. Here's your SLT2 power button, throttle swap, power limiter, steering right adjustment, power indicator, and of course your steering trim. And then of course left and right, accelerate, reverse, brake, SLT2. Set that down to the side. Get this box open a little more. Now you know there's gonna be more goodies in here, right? So we gotta break this thing open. Oh, there we go. That's what we're looking for right there. We want our manual, our batteries, our charger, our beautiful Losi sticker. You're going to make sure you guys want to read that manual, throw that charger away, get yourself a better charger, pop those batteries in your remote. You're going to be just fine. Now we do have 2 zip ties here at the bottom. Just cut those real quick. Snip, snip. A little snip, snip. Gee, that one don't want to go. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. William Byron, number 24. Hendrix Racing. Raptor sponsored. With the Chevy. Got the Chevy. We'll run it down one more time for you guys. 1/12 scale. By the way, this will cost you about $249.99 plus tax. Ready to run. Everything you need in the box. Brushed motor. 2-in-1 ESC. Servo. Battery. Charger. Everything you need. SLT2. Even get the double A's for your transmitter. So I know you guys are dying to see the inside of this thing. So let's get our 4 little body clips off here. 1, 2. Don't want to lose those. Set them down where you know where they're at. 3, 4, 2 in the back. Man, that body is beautiful. Can't stop showing it off. Looks so good. Batteries in the car. Let's check it out. Let's get up close and personal. So here we are, the brushed all-wheel drive Losi NASCAR 2-in-1 ESC 25 amp Spectrum. Got our 14 milliamp 30C Lipo battery strapped in there, ready to go. 2S 7.4 volts with an IC2 connector. Here's your brushed motor. Nice little fan there, keep it cool. Servo underneath there. Licensed Goodyear Eagle tires. Nice, beautiful bumper here. Look at that. I think that's pretty nice. What do you guys think? Pop that body back on. Those clips will go back on. And that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment. Let me know. One more time, we'll do the full spin around for you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been MonstaRC with another unboxing. Until next time, peace.